Hello crypto lovers, welcome back once again, and right now you can see my mining rig is completely down. There are no graphics card. Still I do have all the system available over here, but there are no graphics card. So where is the graphics card? I have sold it, or still I do have the graphics card to mine the cryptocurrency, or may I lost the confidence in cryptocurrency as the price of cryptocurrency is going down day by day. So let's find out where are all those graphics cards and what right now I am doing with those cards. Surprise! So here are all of my graphics card, and I did not sold any of my graphics card because of the reason that price of the cryptocurrency is going down day by day, or maybe some other reason. Because I do have a lot of hope in cryptocurrency and mining, and I know it is the gold of the present and the future, and someday it is going to boom and make all of us millionaire. So keep enjoying like me, keep mining like me. But why right now these graphics card are down to my system? Why it is not mining the Bitcoin, the Ethereum for me? Because of the thing that if you closely look at all these graphics card, you will find there are lots of dust inside this graphics card, which is right now making it unusable, making it unmineable for Ethereum or Bitcoin or any other cryptocurrency which can be mineable. So in this video, I will let you know in a step-by-step process how you can clean up these kinds of graphics card if you are having the similar kind of problem like me. But be careful, do it at your own risk, because these are very much dedicated, and mishandling to this graphics card may lead to the damage of graphics card, and this will not good for you, this will not good for me. So let's go and check out what kind of accessories we need to clean, make a deep clean of this graphics card. If you look at all these graphics card, then you will find there are lots of dust on this graphics card, not only on the outer portion, on the fan part, but also in the inside of the coolant as well. And because of this dust problem, it is generating lots of noise, lots of heat, also taking lots of power, and it will not give you that much of megahash which is needed from this graphics card. So to ensure the smoother work of this graphics card, less power consumption and right amount of megahash, you need to clean this up after every 10 days or 15 days, which I'm doing on regular basis. So what are the accessories you really need to clean this up? So I do have the brush, the two kind of brush which I'm using, and the picker to dig down inside the coolant and remove the dust particle, because it is very much difficult to remove the dust particle from the coolant part, the heat sink. So because of that I'm using. So if you don't want to use this, you can avoid this up. I do also have this screwdriver in case if I need to open any screw to make us a deep clean, then I can do it with this screwdriver. And the most important part, I do have a blower to blow the dust particles. So this is the blower which I'm using to blow all the dust particles from all this graphics card. So what is the process right now is that I'm going to first do a brush cleaner to all this graphics card, and then I will use the picker to dig inside the deep of this coolant, the heat sink, and after that I will use the blower to finally remove all the dust particle from this graphics card. So let's go ahead and do it one by one.